Hello everyone. Welcome to Insta Famous Model YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Maria Luxe is a charming plus-size model. She's earned her name as a brand ambassador, fashion model, social media star and content creator on social media. Maria was born in Southampton, England. She got her education from Southampton. She looks so beautiful, smart and attractive with plus-size figure. She's rocking on social media because of her stunning figure and captivating eyes. She has been active on Instagram since January 2018 as a curvy model. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Love you guys.